Hey everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. If you're diving into SharePoint for your projects, especially the 2025 version, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling how to add templates in SharePoint, which can seriously boost your productivity by reusing designs and structures without starting from scratch. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, I'll walk you through this step by step in a way that's easy to follow. First things first, make sure you're logged into your SharePoint account. If you haven't already, head over to the Microsoft 365 portal and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the specific site or library where you want to add the template. This could be your team site, a document library, or even a custom workspace. SharePoint's interface is pretty intuitive, so look for the Sites tab on the left sidebar. Now, let's get to the fun part. Click on Site Contents, or Settings, depending on your view, to access the template options. In the 2025 update, Microsoft has made this even smoother, so you might see a dedicated Templates section. Here, you can either upload a new template from your device or select from the pre-built ones provided by SharePoint. For uploading, just hit the Upload button, select your file, like a Word doc or Excel sheet formatted as a template, and wait for it to process. Once uploaded, customize it to fit your needs. Go to the template's properties and adjust settings such as permissions, columns, or layouts. Pro tip: if you're adding a site template, double-check that it aligns with your organization's branding to keep things consistent. After that, apply the template by clicking Save or Apply. It'll create a new instance based on your template. Finally, test it out. Open the new site or document to ensure everything works as expected. If you run into any issues, like permission errors, head back to the settings and tweak as needed. And there you have it, templates added and ready to go. This feature in SharePoint 2025 is a game changer for collaboration. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.